Hi there, I'm Kim from DB2 Overland, and today we're going to install the bag blades from Ciro 3D. So I've got my coffee and all my parts ready, and we're going to get the install started. So I'll show you what we're doing. So you just want to clean this to make sure there's no wax buildup or anything where the adhesive is going to go. So the instructions say to use some painter's tape to line up your edge. We've been messing around with this just for a minute or two, and we think we can do it best with just eyeballing it. So we're going to give that a whirl. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get this cord fed up through here, and then I'll peel the tape. So you're supposed to hold it here for about 60 seconds just to get a good adhesion. Alright, so now I'm going to remove the seat. It's a simple Phillips head screwdriver. Next step, remove the bags. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to clean the surface in order to put the adhesive down to run the wire behind the bag. So now I'm going to peel and stick these little 3M adhesives. Have them laid out where they need to go. Now we're going to run the zip ties. Alright, there we go. There's our little wire. So now we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. So now we're going to install the CAN bus decoder and hook the lights on. So this is where mine is located, and it's attached to the fender. It's got a little plastic kind of nut in there. Brown went to the right, purple to the left. Make sure you hear a good click. All right, now we gotta figure out how we're gonna stuff all this in here. So before putting all these into the compartment here under the seat, We're gonna test the lights, make sure it works. All right, they're on. Let's do a right turn signal. There we go. Left turn signal. Well, hot diggity. Brakes. That's awesome. What you need to do is just go to Ciro 3D, order your lights. Everybody needs lights. You need to be seen on the road. So I really enjoy the bag blades. They look really great. I'm going to be adding some other lighting eventually here in the near future. So stay tuned and we'll show you that install as well. So like, subscribe, give a thumbs up, and we'll see you down the road.